Welcome back, scrappers. Today I'm going to be scrapping this. It's a digital programmable thermostat. As you can see, there's a little fire in there. So I'm starting out as 10 ounces. So let's open it up. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. First I'm going to cut this off just because it's all melted together. I'm never going to be able to strip it. So I'll just cut that off so it can fit through the hole. I don't think there's any screws in there. Trying to figure out how to get in here. Maybe this will work. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that's what's inside there. That's a really nice big aluminum heatsink right there. Have a little bit of circuit board, some number 2 copper, little transformer. Okay, so I'm just going to separate this here, cut that off. Okay. Take that little bit of number 2. And I've got a capacitor there. And snip that. Snip that. Okay, so got a little bit of number 2 copper. I'm just going to work on this heatsink then, and I'll start the video again. Okay, so I got that heatsink out. It's pretty big. Next, this right here is a little capacitor. It's aluminum and copper. So I'm just going to cut that off. I usually just throw that in my number 2. Nobody's ever said anything to me about it. So I'll throw that in my number 2 and insulate it. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is it's got a little transformer there. So I'll take that out. Cut that off. So I've got the little transformer here. I was expecting the transformer to be a little larger actually because it's going from 240 volts all the way down to 12. So I thought it'd be a pretty big transformer, but don't think there's going to be much copper in there. Okay, so didn't take very long, a couple seconds to get that apart. Let's see what I get out of it. So I got about a ½ ounce of insulated copper. I got a big chunk of aluminum, 4½ ounces of aluminum. And 0.2 ounces of copper bearing. And a little bit of low-grade board. Where I'm to, they don't recycle the low-grade board yet, but I do hold on to it because hopefully they will recycle it at some point. Okay, so that's what you can expect to find inside of a digital thermostat. Not much in there, a few cents, but it didn't take much and it keeps my hands busy. So tune in next time and remember to subscribe.